Hi, I'm Paul Haydocy from Road Adventures, and today I'm going to show you how to utilize your Jensen sound system in your Winnebago trailers. To turn your entertainment center on, simply press the power button in the top left of the control panel and you'll notice the screen lights up. Your first setting is your tuner settings so you can listen to local radios. To change the station, simply hit the left or right arrows until the desired station is reached. If you would like to connect a device using Bluetooth, all you have to do is simply press the mode button once until you see the screen say BT mode. Once you're on that screen, simply press and hold the enter/search button. You'll notice the screen starts to say pair and having a countdown. This is when you're ready to connect your device to the sound system. If you'd like to watch a DVD with this entertainment center, simply slide the DVD in the slot and it will begin loading. Once it finishes loading, it will automatically start playing. You just have to make sure that your TV is turned on and on the settings for the HDMI 1. Thanks for watching. To check out more how-to videos, visit our YouTube page or go to roadadventures.com and start planning your next Great American Getaway.